Hello everyone. In this part of the video, we are going to learn about the list which is used in your HTML. Okay. So when we talk about the list, in the list, so when we talk about the list, so basically there are two kinds of list, three kinds of list actually. Okay. The first kind of the list is called as your ordered list. Okay. Then the second kind of the list is called as your unordered list. Okay, ordered list. And the third kind is called as your uh, description list. Okay, so basically we are going to discuss the three kinds of list in this part of the video. Okay. So in order to understand all the kinds of lists, okay, so we'll start basically by your unordered list. Okay, so in order to use the unordered list, there are mainly two tags that we are going to use. Okay, the first tag that we use is your UL tag. Okay, and the second tag that we use is your li tag. Okay, so this UL tag that you see, this is used in order to define or to create your unordered list. Okay, and this li tag that you see, it is basically to describe the list element that we are using in the HTML. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to create a simple program in order to understand the unordered list. Okay, for this you will need a notepad. Okay, and then you will need a web browser, right? So let's first write our program and then we'll see the result on the web browser. Okay, so we'll start with basic HTML syntax. Okay, now once you start a tag, always remember that you have to close the tag also. Okay, and the difference between your on and off tag is just a backslash. Okay, so HTML, then after HTML we always write head. Okay, once you have started the head, remember to close the head. Okay, and in the head itself you can write the title. Okay, so the title of your web page. So basically we are using unordered list, so I'll write unordered, okay, list, right, and then we'll close the title. Okay, so head is basically done. Okay, so after head, after the completion of your head, we'll start our body tag. Okay, and once you have started the body tag, remember to close the body tag also, right? And then in the body tag, what we are going to do is we are going to create a list, basically an unordered list. Okay, so as I said, in order to create an unordered list, what we are going to do is we are going to use UL, basically unordered list, and once you have started the UL, finish the UL also. Okay, so close the UL, and in between this UL, right, so I'll give space in order to make it very clear. So this is your body. Okay, now in the UL itself, so what we are going to do is we are going to list down the items of the list. Okay, so what are the elements that are going to come in your list? So supposingly this list will contain maybe three of your favorite colors. Okay, so I'll write red. Okay, red, then close the list item. Okay, then you can, what you can do is you can select this one. Okay, copy paste it, and then right, change the element. Okay, so red, then second can be blue. Okay, then your third can be green. Okay, so any item that you want to give. Okay, so now that when that we have added the list items. Okay, so basically, so the first thing is you have to save the file. Okay, so control S or go to file and then save the file. Okay, I'll save this file on the desktop. Okay, now name the file anything. Okay, so since we have created an unordered list, so I'll write unordered list. Okay, and remember to put HTML. Okay, so .html is the extension of the file. Click on save. Now you can see the name of the file has been changed. Okay, now how to open this file? So basically go to your desktop and see the program. So now once you have saved the file, you can see that unordered list has now created, and you can see a Chrome symbol here. Now double click on this one, okay, and you will see a list has been created, an unordered list has been created actually. Okay, so this is this simple, okay, that you can create an unordered list by using simple UL and LI tags. Now in order to create a ordered list, so what we are going to do is that press Ctrl N, that is a new program. Okay, then again the similar thing that you have to do. Okay, so basically we'll start with your HTML, right, and then the second thing is your head. Okay, and inside the head you have a title. Okay, the title is your, this time, the ordered list. Okay, ordered list, remember, and then title close. Okay, and then close down your head, right, so close the head again. Now if the head is closed, now open the body, right, and in if you have opened the body, then close the body, and then at the final close the HTML, right. So this is the basic syntax of your HTML. Now in the body itself, what we are going to do is we are going to use two tags. Okay, so in ordered list there are basically two tags. First tag is called as your OL tag, okay, and the second tag is very similar to your LI tag. So this is your LI tag itself. Okay, so the OL tag contains the LI tag. Okay, so LI is the list elements, okay, and OL is the your ordered list. Okay, so in the OL tag we are going to define the list items, right. So basically what we had copied. Okay, so LI, the first element is your red, the second element is now green. Okay, so suppose write blue. Okay, so write blue, and then the third element. Okay, so the third element can be green. Okay, similar to what we have done in the last one. Okay, so green. Okay, right, then close the OL here. Okay, always remember to close the tags once you have opened them. Okay, now again Control S, and then the previous program that we have saved was with the name unordered list, so we are going to name this ordered list. Okay, so ordered list, and then dot HTML. Okay, always remember to put dot HTML, then you save the file, see the name has been changed. Now again minimize the screen. Okay, and then there is your program, this one, the ordered list. Now double click on this one. Okay, so now you can see that it is coming as 1 2 3. Okay, and in unordered list there were no numbers, there were only black dots. Okay, so this is the basic difference between your ordered list and unordered list, that your ordered list contain basically sequence of the numbers, and your unordered list contains the non-sequential form of the elements. Okay,